Hi YouTube, this is Alex from CHQ Store. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video as well as a how to set up video for the Logitech C920 Pro Webcam. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get to unboxing this Logitech C920 Pro Webcam. As you can see, this is the retail box that you can order online. This is a brand new unit. They do sell refurbished and restoration-free versions of this product where you just get the webcam and it's not retail box, but since the prices came down so low, they're currently selling for about $50 right now on Amazon with one-day shipping in my area, Amazon Prime. So I obviously opted to get the brand new version here, and you can see me struggling here with the throwing knife I'm using to cut the tape, but it's packaged very well. There are a bunch of blurbs on the outside of the box and pictures talking about the specifications of what the camera can do, and why don't I tell you about some of those specifications. So the Logitech HD Pro Webcam C920 offers full HD 1080p video. This is very handy for doing things like streaming on Twitch, just using this as your webcam to show your viewers what your setup and your face and all that stuff looks like, as well as using this for things like Skype calls and things of that nature. The quality of the video is really good. They're using H.264 encoding on the 1080p video stream, which is, according to Logitech, smoother, faster, and more compatible than most other encoding. It's also good for quick upload. The clarity is actually really good on this as well. It uses a real glass lens and it has autofocus. As you can see in the front here, there's two microphones. I already turned it around here in the video, but there are two microphones on the front there. They're omnidirectional. This is a web camera that's very compatible with pretty much every device that's out there that's popular right now. So this can be used on all versions of Windows. Sorry, I shouldn't say all versions. Windows 7, 8, and 10. It does not list XP as a compatible operating system, but I would be surprised if you can get that to work too. It also works with Mac OS 10.6 or newer. It works on Android 5.0. It works on Chrome OS, and this is all done over a USB port. So pretty standard stuff. Let's talk about the specifications of the video again. So I already mentioned that it's 1080p. It also offers 720p if for some reason you want to go a little bit lower, maybe for a smaller video file size or things like that. And it also has automatic low light correction and is ready to be used on a tripod. We're going to be setting up this Logitech C920 on a Threadripper based desktop computer here. You can see we're just plugging it in here into the Asus Zenith motherboard. And once we've got that plugged in, Windows is detecting plugged in right there and setting up some drivers. And there we go, it's all connected.
Alright, so I've gone ahead and relocated the C920 over here on top of this RAM cooler just so it has a better angle on me right here for what I'm working on. So now you're probably going to want to figure out, okay, so how do I record video? Where do I get the Logitech software? What can it do? All that kind of stuff. So let's go over onto the computer here, and this is just a Google web browser, and I just typed in Logitech C920 software. Go ahead and do that. We're going to go to the first link here. It's going to take you to Logitech's website, the download section, and I'm using Windows 10 64-bit, so this is exactly the version that I downloaded, and it looks like this is for Windows 8 and Windows 7 as well, so 99% of people are, this is exactly what you want. So download that. It's a quick download. go ahead and run the. I've already installed the software. It's just a simple next, next, next. There's no selecting any options. Basically, you can just click next, next, and it's going to install it. Takes about 1 or 2 minutes to install it, and then it will restart your computer. And once it restarts your computer, it will ask for permission to use the software. You can go ahead and say yes, and then you're up and running. So let's take a look at what that software looks like. So it actually didn't give me a desktop icon, as you can see here. So I'm just going to type in Logitech on the search from my computer. And sorry for the blurriness, but you can see here, this is what it's called, Logitech Gaming Software 9.00. And here is the gaming software. So from this first entry screen, it'll actually just, you know what, I should mention, the first time you open this, it's going to give you a promotion, and it's impossible to really know what's going on. Click the X button. It's showing like some sort of Logitech gaming, I don't know if it's a keyboard and mice thing. They're trying to promote some other products. Just close that, and it'll bring you right to this screen. So from this screen, you just click that blue circle right here in the middle, and this is going to bring you to the option. So there, see, there I am. Yep, hey guys. So this is just pretty much, this software is pretty much just letting you change the way that you're going to record the video, how the video is going to look, changing the settings on the camera itself. But this software does not record or save pictures or movies or anything. It just changes the way the camera is going to work, and then you can integrate it with some things like Overwolf, and I'm sure there's a couple other options. But for most people, this kind of is just one step of the whole procedure. So the other step is you need to have some other software that's actually going to record the video or the pictures to your hard drive. So simply, the simple way to do that is just use the Windows software, the camera software. So you just go to another search on your computer by pressing the Windows button here, this guy right here. So I'm just going to type in camera. Sorry about the zoom on the phone here. So camera right there, that's what we want. And so there I am. Here I am again. So let's take a look at the different things you can do with the Logitech software and how it affects the camera. So I'm going to go over here onto video settings, and there's zombie, cartoon, sickness, black and white, custom. There's different things you can do to change the video. So black and white, simple, right? Look, there I am, black and white. Zombie, I guess do I look sick now? I mean, I think I already looked sick anyway, but cartoon, and this is sickness too, so I guess zombie and sickness are two different types of diseases they offer. So this is just, yeah, some cool options. I think a lot of people probably won't be using this stuff very much other than the black and white and the custom, or just the regular, like, normal colors like right here. But if we want to take a picture, this is where we're going to do it on the Windows camera application. Hey, say hi to Christian. So this is the take video button right here. Very simple. Now I'm recording myself over here from the camera, and it's saving to my hard drive. Now you're probably like, well, where did it save that to, right? Well, there's a settings button right here, and there's a whole bunch of settings in here, and you can change the way the video is recorded. For instance, if you want to change the frame rate or the resolution, those options are in here. And right here is change where photos and videos are saved. And yeah, switch apps. So you can save this to whatever drive you want, to a cloud, whatever, blah blah blah. You can figure that stuff out on your own, I'm sure. Or if you need help, feel free to write in the comments. But yeah, so this is kind of the gist of the camera. It's got a nice blue glow around the edges when it's on. And yeah, it's a pretty nice camera. We'll have to see how it does against the other cameras that I've purchased to do a review on. So that we're going to be comparing this C920 Pro to the C930E, and then we're also going to even compare it against the Microsoft Kinect with the Windows adapter and maybe we'll even compare it against my cell phone here. And as you probably can imagine, the cell phone probably will not be doing that great based on how bad the focus has been in this video. So anyway, if you have any more questions, like I said, put them in the comments. If you like this video, it helped you, please go ahead and put a like on the video, and feel free to subscribe. We're going to be putting up a lot of videos about computer hardware, computer systems, peripherals, pretty much everything computers and gaming, PC gaming related. Thanks.